Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sarita, founder of Best Healthy Life. So, my easy breakfast series lo one more recipe. Okay, na ivala. Today we'll learn about how to make idli healthier than what we normally eat. So first, take a pan. I've already turned the stove on. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then after that, I have chopped chilies and ginger. You put those in there. Okay, and then take a spatula. You don't need too much oil and అస్సలు అవసరం లేదు. కావాలంటే you can put a lid on it and make it fry. So after a little bit, you can put, this is basically like almost 2.5 cups of spinach. We chopped it, and then now I'm going to put it in this. You can put it like without chopping also, but you chop it, it's going to cook well because you're going to grind it anyways. Okay, here spinach is a good source of vitamin A and complex carbohydrates. So good for your skin also. Okay, so now I'm going to leave it there for a few minutes. Alright, so you don't have to overcook only. So intercook, like this much is fine. Intercook aute chalu. Greenness pogurdu, deep fry avagurdu. And then I'm putting just half cup of nuts. 1/3 cup lo about 200 calories untai, 8 grams of protein. So half cup lo little more than that of calories untai anamata. So now I've already roasted cashews, so we don't have to do more than that. I'm turning the stove off only. Okay, and then I'll grind this mixture. Alright, and here's my idli batter. 2 cups of this తీసుకున్నానండి నేను. So each cup is 150 grams, 2 cups. Then nutrition content description lo పెట్టాను. Finally, you can look at the description on YouTube page. Okay na? So I mix a little bit of salt in it. Okay, all right. So ఇది రెడీ అయిందండి, గ్రైండ్ చేసుకున్నాను. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్, ఆ ప్యాన్లో ఉన్న స్పినచ్ అండ్ cashews. So when you grind చేసుకున్నప్పుడు you don't have to kind of fine grind it. So chops of cashews unte parvaledu. So you just have to take this and put it in your idli batter. Again, this is a 2 cups of idli batter. So idli batter, I'm thinking most of us know how to make idli batter. 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of idli rava. You soak and you grind the urad dal, and then you mix with the idli rava and then let it ferment overnight. That's how you make the idli rava. And I took 2 measuring cups of that. I'm going to use my hands to take the rest of it off. Grinding. So when you're grinding the mixture, if you have to put like just maybe few tablespoons of water, it's fine. Don't put too much water because your idli batter is going to become loose. Okay, so once you put it in there, mix it all up. See, now it's all mixed up. So lot of spinach in this, and make sure you check the taste of it for the salt. Okay, so I'll let it sit here. Alright, see, look how colorful this is. And then now the way I put oil, again olive oil, is just with a brush, and I let the oil drain off, and then I I put it. The amount of oil you use is very important, okay? Lesser the better. Alright, just this for all the plates. I'm putting it for 2 plates first, and then we'll see, okay? Then just do it one more time. I already checked my salt level. Then I will put it in the containers, and then here, okay, and then I'll take the another plate here. Okay, so I'm just making 2 plates now. I'm going to put them like that, and then I already put water in this, and I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to close it and turn the stove on. So I put it in high flame for about 5 minutes, and then I put it in medium flame and let it cook for like 12 minutes or so. Same as your regular idli, and then it'll be done. So here are your spinach idlis, Andy. So a lot of complex carbohydrates and protein. So, but portion size still 3 to 4 Andy, with some peanut chutney. Also portion size 1 to 2 tablespoons, not more than that. You can have sambar with lots of vegetables, because idli rava is full of carbohydrates. So you have to make sure that you think about that, although you put it so much spinach, okay? All right, let me give it. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please visit our website, healthylife.com, and please do call us. The number is listed on the website, and please do visit our YouTube page. Thank you.